We are on our way to Hopetown.
Hopetown!
Woo! We're gonna check out the town and the lighthouse. I'm super excited about the lighthouse.
I am super excited about the lighthouse. Oh man, I'm actually dreading the lighthouse. Oh my gosh.
But it's really cool. It's supposed to be the only, what is it? The only hand crank lighthouse still in existence.
They have to wind it up like a clock, I think, right?
Yeah. So that's cool. We'll give you some more history later when we get there.
Tambi will, because she's going to be going to the top. I'm going to remain at the bottom where all the sane people are.
He's coming with me. Don't worry.
This wake might suck. Bring it on, sucker!
Oh my God.
We've been through Miami!
That's terrifying.
Oh!
God.
Sandflea eats wakes for dinner. You call this a wake? That's not a wake!
That's terrifying. Oh my gosh.
We've been through South Florida, that's nothing!
It's not nothing, it's terrifying. That poor catamaran.
That would have seriously sucked if we didn't have the sails up.
Yeah.
And the tiny fishing boat.
So this little island right there is called Sandy Key. And like you can see that little boat on a mooring there. There's another boat over there. It's supposed to be really cool snorkeling around here. A coral garden, but it is just way too swelly for us to try to check that out right now. So another time. That is a cool boat.
Oh, cool.
What do you think, Tambi? Should we upgrade to that?
Oh, it might be a lot to clean.
120-foot catch. Oh goodness, I wonder how tall those masts are. Man, those masts might be 100 feet tall. It's been a pretty interesting sail so far today. We've been beam reaching, we've been downwind, and now we find ourselves very close hauled. So this has been it's been interesting. We left down here, little harbor, sailed up past Linyard Key there. This is where we turned downwind right here, just north of Sandy Key. And now we're about to go through this gap right here that is just to the west of Toulouse Cut. And then we'll carry on. We'll probably go right through that gap and anchor just north of Hopetown. But the sailing has been really fun here. Totally behind the, in the lee of this island over here. I think this is Toulouse Key that we're behind. It's a really long one. Yeah, really good sailing. Currently going about 5 knots. Super duper close hauled. Loving it. Okay, so sailing through this little area here. This area right here. So, let's see. This is Elbow Key. That is Toulouse Cut. This is Toulouse. And over here on this side, I believe this is called Lubber's Quarters. Pretty small gap here, but the wind is just right to just rip through here full sail. It's only, I don't know if you can see that up there, but it's about 7 feet deep. Here you go, take that, Tambi. We're cruising through. Is it going?
Yep.
Well, we are in Hopetown, and in Hopetown is this big scary lighthouse that Tambi wants to make me go up. So up we must go. You may or may not know that I've kind of got this thing about heights. Really don't like heights. So naturally Tambi wants to get us into these situations that involve heights. And this is one of those situations. Isn't that right, Tambi?
Yep.
Alright, let's do this. Okay. Alright, ladies.
Abacos.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, Tambi. Go on ahead. Alright, I will go. Alright, Mom. Go for it. These are wooden stairs. Are wooden stairs more prone to rot? I don't know what this is made out of. Curious how thick these walls might be, Tambi. Oh, there we go. They're about a foot thick, maybe. Oh man. Man.
Whoa!
Oh jeez, okay. This is the point where I can really feel my legs starting to do funny things.
And you're always going onto the wall.
Uh-huh.
It's so beautiful.
Just one step at a time. Ooh, mama. Alright, we're probably 500 feet up now. Pretty nice view out here. Wow, these walls are much thicker than I realized. Okay. Hopetown Harbor out there. Maybe you can see that. Okay. Onwards and upwards, Molly. Oh, no.
Well, almost up.
Okay, all right, keep it moving. Don't stop on the. Yep.
We're at the top.
Oh.
No, we're not.
Okay.
No.
Oh, is this not even the top, Mom?
No.
There's Tambi down
We're
there.
getting to the right. Whoa.
Don't touch anything. Okay, here's some. Huh.
Whoa.
Looks like some sort of explosives here. Okay. All right, let's not touch the explosives, honey. That's another view. Oh, we might be able to see Sandflea. Oh, there it is. There's Sandflea right there.
Okay, above you.
All right. Danger. Do not touch. No problems there.
The next level isn't even the last level. It keeps going.
No, it doesn't.
Yes,
No way.
it does. Yes. Yes, Mike.
Oh, my legs are feeling numb and tingly. Oh, mama.
Look at it. It keeps going.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Go.
Hey, don't push. Don't push.
This part is the light.
Listen, shh. Everybody speak a little more quietly. I don't like these sound waves shaking the 500-year-old lighthouse.
Up here is the light. I'm gonna...
Another view out there. Oh, mama. Alright. Okay. Okay, Tambi, that appears to be, there's supposed to be a sign here, I think, off limits. Why would they just let anybody up there? That doesn't make sense.
Stay here if you don't want to go. Chicken.
Here's chicken. Do y'all hear that noise?
What noise?
It was like a kind of a thump noise.
This? Fine.
I felt the ground shake. Hey, Molly, stop doing whatever that is. Okay. All right, up the final few feet, I think. Oh.
No, it keeps going.
Oh, mama. No, it does not. This has got to be the top. Okay, hey, hands off that. Stop touching that. That's the door to the outside. Stop it! Stop it!
Come on, you're gonna stand up there and look out?
Whoa.
Oh, mama.
Look at me. Put your face closer to the... Look at me.
It's so... Your knees.
My knees. Once again, I cannot straighten my legs out completely. I don't understand this phenomenon, but when I'm up here this high, I actually cannot straighten my legs out fully. Oh, this is kind of cool. Look at all this windy up stuff. Boy, this is all stuff here. Look at the gears. Apparently they have to wind this thing up like a big clock. Frequently, too. To keep it going. Sorry if the video's a little shaky. Having a hard time keeping my body still at the moment.
There's nothing in it. Maybe like electrical.
Oh, mama. Oh, mama.
Daddy.
Alright, there's the flea. Way out there. Safely anchored at ground level. So where is it? Oh man.
You can go up there.
There's like some kind of a... Alright, I think this is the thing that actually burns. Looks like some kind of a wick or a filament or something up there. Surrounded by all this interesting glass that is shaped. I'm not sure what part spins. Some part of this thing spins around. There's like a wheel right there on a track. Seems that this piece would be stationary and this whole piece would spin. And down we go. Tambi, if I had known how many lighthouses I would have to go up as a result of this whole traveling by sailboat thing, I may not have been so enthusiastic. Thank you for that terrifying experience.
You're welcome.
And now this is more like it. There's the lighthouse down that way, but here at the bottom of the hills, this little shed. And check out these cool boats here. This is called an Abacos dinghy. Here's a little information there. Scully, that dinghy, is the last 14-foot Abacos dinghy Built by Weiner Malone using only hand tools in 2010. Huh. Look at that, man. That is so cool, man. This is like, look at this dinghy actually has like a keel, or I guess maybe you'd call this a full-length skeg, perhaps. Man, that is so cool. I wonder what this thing weighs. I bet like, I don't know, 300 pounds maybe? Pretty awesome. All right, we have relocated onto the other side of wherever we are, Hopetown Harbor. This is the sailing club dock. We got her anchored right here in the corner with a stern line going out the back tied to this corner post. That ought to do it. There's some place called Nipples or something like that. What is it?
Sip.
Oh, Sip. Not, okay, sorry.